Madeline, can you say your months? January.
February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Let me see.
September.
October, December.
Yay! What about November?
November,
Yep. November, December.
December.
Yeah.
Yay!
Can you do Monday? Can you say your days?
Monday, Tuesday. I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger.
Madeline, Monday.
Whoa, Monday,
You want some more?
Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday,
Friday.
Friday,
They really do.
Saturday.
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
All right, good job.
I can tell you're really getting to be